Hello everyone, welcome back to Fix the Faulty. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create AI cartoon videos. You can find any AI chatbot and use it. Now, we can start by generating a story or storyboard using an AI chatbot. Once you have the scenes, you can use an AI video generator to turn those ideas into visuals. Many AI tools can create animations, voiceovers, and subtitles automatically. You can customize characters, scenes, and narration before exporting the final video. This will allow beginners to create animated content without advanced editing skills. And that's it. That's how to create AI cartoon videos. And if this video helped you, follow us for more tips and tutorials.